Okay, railroad fans, Cajon pass. This is Z train from Willow Springs, Illinois to Hobart Yard. It should be switching from main track number 2 to main track number 3 right here. Let's watch. There it goes right there. It's moving over, one track to the left. There's a train behind us tied down on main track number 3. It was waiting for this train to come down and pass it and get in front of it. And then it's going to release, so we'll get that one next. So it's down there at milepost 63 where it's making the switch. And there's a train down here on main track 3. You can barely see the nose of it sticking out down there. It's going to untie, I believe, right after this train clears, and it's going to stay on main track 3 behind it. It'll let it get one block ahead. A block is a signal, like the one you see in front of us. So once this train clears the next signal in front of that switch behind us, then this train behind it should go. So we'll go down there and get that too. A lot of packages and reefers. All right, we know you saw that. You can see the train down there that's tied down, and we'll get that one next, I hope. Looks like that's what they have planned anyway. Please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends and help us out with super thanks. We really appreciate the contributions lately. It's going a long way. We are supported by you. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching it. Watch a couple more. All right. This is our producer, Buddy. He wants to know why you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please hit us up with a like and super thanks. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.